The Rancho high steer knuckles maintain steering geometry and add strength to the most vulnerable points within the steering envelope when off-road driving. Adds critical strength and height to off-road JKs. Aligns the geometry of the track bar and drag link to reduce bump steer. Constructed from high-strength steel. The kit includes a front left high steer knuckle, a front right high steer knuckle, and 3-inch bump stops. The Rancho high steer knuckles add an additional 1.5 inches of clearance within the tight space, helping to protect critical steering components, and their design also helps lift the steering linkage out of the range from direct impact from off-road obstacles or impediments. The high steer knuckles are precisely engineered and heavy-duty for left-hand and right-hand drive. Rancho Performance Suspension and Shocks. Foundation for a sweet ride.